Okay, since CES 2012 has been going on this week, we're going to talk a little bit about CES a little bit. There's actually, giving an example, Intel was making a big presentation, and they're kind of getting PC manufacturers involved in UltraBooks, which is going to be the PC's version of kind of like the MacBook Airs, the small, thin, lightweight notebook computers. And so they're trying to give them some concepts to build these UltraBooks. And I don't know, some of them are good ideas, some are not so good ideas, and I'm going to kind of tell you about the not so good ideas. Yeah, we're also going to expand on it as well. And in some of which they're going to try to integrate the tablet computer or tablet mobile computers into UltraBooks, some of the ideas, which I'm kind of against some of it. Here they're going to try to integrate touchscreen into these UltraBooks, and that concept's been thoroughly studied, for example, by Apple. And to me, touchscreens on a vertical screen going up and down type of thing doesn't really work out too well, because you run into what's known as arm fatigue after long periods of time. And yeah, you can kind of angle it and everything, but fully touch integration works a lot better on tablets because you can easily move them around to the degree of comfort. And we're actually also seeing this Lenovo is making a very similar concept with a all-in-one desktop computer as well. I'm going to kind of expand into that as well. And suppose that, which is funny because it looks like a design very much patented by Apple 2 years ago, the very same concept. But anyway, it's also, when it's set vertically or horizontally, obviously you can use it, but then the screen on the Lenovo actually goes all the way horizontal, and you can push it down to enable the touch type features. Like I said, I don't think it's the greatest idea integrating that touch screens onto a vertical monitor type of situation. Another thing they want PC manufacturers to do is integrate accelerometers, which is something that also employed in a lot of the tablets, because you can, by moving the tablet around, you can control games and other functions. Going from landscape to portrait mode, it will automatically flip the screen, so that's what the accelerometers are used for. Something I don't think is also a good idea in implementing in UltraBooks, because it's most UltraBooks are designed, or probably going to design around 14 and 15 inch displays, and plus the size and everything is kind of, I don't see nobody really doing this, you know, pick up their laptop and move it around type of deal. I don't think that's going to work out too well either. Now, something that might work kind of, we're going to talk a little bit about voice control. And supposedly they want also to integrate voice control for various functions, which I could see it working. And it's been kind of integrated in a limited feature set. And in fact, Intel is actually partnering with Nuance that does the Dragon Naturally Speaking software, mostly for voice to text features, like inputs into word processing documents, some limited control features, you know, sending text messages and things like that. But supposedly that's not going to be fully integrated for another year. And, you know, it's kind of funny because Nuance, which is actually the source engine behind Siri, they kind of, you know, they were great 10 years ago when they first came out. It was, you know, kind of revolutionary, but they kind of really didn't, you know, do anything big with it. Yeah, they improved it over time, but they really haven't gone out on a limb until now, and then kind of nudged by Intel as well. And so it's going to be very interesting what else we're going to see come out from CES.